Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO on September 18th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $5.43. And my main assumption at this very point was that basically I was confused about its retracement, and I didn't like both cases, bull one and bear one. And my main assumption was that we have to see the breakout above the range of resistance at $5.66 or below the range of support at roughly $5.41. My main assumption was that most likely we should see deeper retracement and we should break $5.41 mark. And in this case, we might anticipate its longer consolidation phase and a bit lower price action. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and right after I made my previous video, we had this movement to the downside that broke its previous bottom. And for now, it is again consolidating around these ranges. We are, as you can see, at $5.32. And I have to say that I have an amazing update for you. I will show you some tips that will help you to identify its upcoming movements. And guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer right now. For now, there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And it is pretty much one-on-one trading for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and let's take a look again on its price action. I have to say that this price action and its retest of the crucial levels shows you again that technical analysis is extremely powerful tool. Because guys, take a look right here, $5.41 is the range of support and resistances that I drew previously. And for now, guys, take a look right here. We had a very good touch of this range from the top, and we use, basically not we, but NIO uses this range as the range of support. It broke it to the downside, then retested from the bottom, had an attempt to break it, then again pulled back a little bit and broke it to the upside. But for now, it is in retracement mode. And in just several minutes, I will show you that it might break its highest point at $5.66. This swing high, and I will show you the news why it might happen. So first of all, let's take a look on the fundamental news that might be important for its upcoming movement. So China EV insurance registrations for week ending September 22nd. NIO registered about 3.7 thousand vehicles. I have to admit that it is not the best result for NIO, because NIO has to hold its range at the level above 5,000 vehicles in order to stay in line with their main goal to hit, I guess, 210,000 vehicles by the end of this year. And I have to say that it is not the best sign, but let me show you the news that is definitely the main catalyst for its today's and basically this week's movement. Let me show you this. We are on Financial Times, and this article was published just a couple of hours ago, and it's titled, "China unleashes stimulus blitz to lift growth. Central bank cuts benchmark rate and unveils support for property and stock markets to boost demand." And let me quote you this. China has unleashed a swath of stimulus measures, including cuts to its benchmark interest rate, as Beijing battles a slowdown in the world's second largest economy. In a rare public briefing on Tuesday, the People's Bank of China also announced government funding to boost the stock market and 8 share buybacks, as well as more support for the stricken property sector. With the economists skeptical about whether China will hit the governmental's full-year growth target of 5%, PBOC Governor Pan Gongseng said the measure aimed to support the stable growth of China's economy and promote a moderate rebound in prices. The package of measures sent China's CSI 300 of Shanghai and Shenzhen listed shares up 4.3% on Tuesday. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index rose 3.9%, led higher by mainland Chinese companies listed in the territory. And guys, this news definitely boosted the price of entire Chinese market, and that is why we can anticipate the growth of NIO basically on today's session. And we have not more than 1 minute till the pre-market trading begins, and I will show you that potentially we might see this spike in its price. So let me show you another quite interesting news. If you type in Google search bar NIO Stock and switch to News tab folder, you will see several quite interesting news. I want to pay attention to this one. Is NIO the most promising EV battery stock according to Analyst? And it was published, as you can see, on Yahoo Finance 6 days ago. And I have to say that the brief answer to this is following. It is not the best stock despite its potential growth. Let me show you that analysts set a consensus price target at $5.93 according to MarketBeat, and it is about 11.42% of upside potential. And according to TipRanks, it set the price target at $5.97. And as you can see, among 11 analysts, 6 suggest to buy, 4 to hold, and only 1 suggests to sell. And I have to say that if we take a look on the list of institutional investors right here, first of all, let me pay attention to this chart. We still have a huge decrease in number of institutional investors who want to hold NIO stock in their investment portfolios. As you can see, the latest data shows us that it is the lowest ever level of institutional ownership of NIO. And at the same time, guys, take a look right here. The most recent update, the most recent filings are also not the best one. You can see that Cubist Systematic Strategies sold their entire stake of NIO shares, and previously they owned 1.6 million shares of NIO. And if we multiply it just by $5 on average price for the last several months, it will be about $8 million worth of value that was pulled out from NIO stock. And I have to say that definitely we might see the higher volatility levels on NIO. But guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we are on pre-market hours and NIO is up by 7.14%, and it is scratching its previous range of resistance at 5.66%. And guys, how you can identify its movement before it happens? Let me show you right here. You know that Hong Kong and Shenzhen stock exchanges are located in southern East Asia, and we have a huge gap in the time zones between New York Stock Exchange and Asian exchanges as well. And as you can see, the listing of NIO on Hong Kong Stock Exchange is 98.66. It has this ticker symbol. And take a look right here. On today's session, NIO is up by 10.5%. And guys, we have this gap. That is why you can easily identify the upcoming movement of NIO on the US Stock Exchange. And that is why, guys, it is quite easy task to predict its movement based on the Chinese stock market. But where we might land on a grand scheme thing. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's zoom out to 4 hours time frame, and let me show you that this asset had a very strong range of support at $3.64, and it went higher for the last month and a half, and for now it is in consolidation phase. Guys, if I pull the Fib retracement tool, let me show you in details. If I pull it from this very bottom to this very top, with the assumption that we completed all 5 waves, we hit only the first range of retracement. It is 0.236 level, and statistically, we have not more than 15% to see the trend reversal out of this range, but it is still 15%. Out of 100 cases, 15 cases will be on bull side. That is why, guys, the breakout above this crucial point of $5.66 with the conviction of volume on regular hours on today's session will be a signal that we might hit the next range of resistance at $6.05. And let me show you that its crucial range of resistance. It's a major previous swing high that this asset established back in May of this year. And if it breaks it, it will be a sign for the long-term holders to enter and to add to their long position, because it will be the sign of new higher highs and higher lows. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the